designed it to run on a 15 amp circuit, but mine will blow. And so you should really run it on a 20. And I needed to get me a 20 amp breaker. Can't get too close to that because it'll burn up my little camera. Alright guys, we're heating it up right now. Mama done bought me some brand new welding gloves. It's on and popping, y'all. Alright guys, I didn't get finished what I wanted to. But I did get that Ivory G10 and that Gentleman's buoy off. Go with the little sheet there. Now check this out guys. Got me a machete. Yeah. For a friend at work. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the laminate one, but I'm been working all day on PID for the forge. I got everything ready to go. All I need is a couple pieces of brass and it's on and popping, y'all. Alright guys. As you can see, it's been a productive weekend. Most of that's ready for quenching. That's a straight quench. That's a normalizing quench. That's a straight quench. That's a straight quench. That's a straight quench. These two are normalizing. And then quenching, going through the cycles. But I'll have the PID up and running by then, and they'll be perfect. That heat treat I've done has always been good, but this one right here, makes it like electric oven perfect. All right, y'all. Appreciate it coming along.